The next concept for programming in Python we will see here is fundamental. It is called indentation. The way you apply it in practice is important, as this will be the only way to communicate your ideas to the machine properly. Here is what I mean. Let's define a function 5 that takes as an argument an unknown x. It will be a simple one. X will be reassigned the value of 5, and the function will return the value of 5 for us. Please note that I am using an indent. Now, we can print the result of 5 with an argument of 3. Nothing happened. Why? Because printing 5 of 3 is within a function, so it will be executed only when the function is applied. If we place print on a new line instead, aligned to the def command, the output will be different. How come? The print command is executed on its own, not as part of the 5 function. Def and print form two separate and written in this way, clearly distinguishable blocks of code or blocks of commands. It makes sense to use indentation, doesn't it? Everything that regards the function is written with one indentation to the inside. Once you decide to code something else, start on a new line with no indentation. The blocks of code are more visible, and this clarifies the logic you are applying to solve your problem. Working with functions is interesting, right? Keep up the good work, and I promise to come back to that soon.